Hello everyone, this is Jaswinder Kaur Bajwa from Canward Visa Immigration Services. So today we are going to share a pathway of permanent residency through Quebec without French. As we have received so many questions from last few days from all of you who wants to get permanent residency through Quebec, who want to live here and don't want to move, who are here on very good positions, they are working here with the employers. So there is a good news. Yes, definitely we can apply for PR through Quebec uh, as long as your employer is supporting you. So there are 4 steps I'm going to explain a little bit here. But still, if you have any question, you can contact us anytime. You can call us at our reception. You can email us. You can message us. We are happy to answer you. So the first step is, if you are working here full time from last 3 months and your employer is supporting you, the first step we have to apply for job offer. So there is a different application that we have to send to the Quebec Immigration, in which employer will fill the form and sign a papers and documents and provide us a bank draft of $205 in favor of Ministers of Finance of Quebec, along with the financial statements of 2 years of their company. So the application will be sent out to the Quebec Immigration. If they approve the job, if your job is validated, then the second step we have to apply in ARIMA. So once we will apply in ARIMA with the validated job offer, there is almost 100% chances that you will be get invited in the very next draw. So once you are invited, after the invitation letter, the second communication you will receive from Quebec Immigration will be the credential of your Move Project Quebec portal. So once you will shift to the Move Project Quebec portal, there you have to submit the form again online. You have to pay the fees. As soon as you will pay the fees, most likely you are going to receive a document checklist either on the same day or on the next day. So along with the document checklist, you will also receive a communication in which they will guide you to pass a Quebec integration exam. So once you will pass your Quebec integration exam and you will submit the result, even though the result will automatically submitted to Quebec Immigration through their portal, but you can also send always a copy of that result along with the other documents. So make sure that when you are submitting your document are properly attested, notarized, so that in one shot you are sending all complete applications. So as soon as you will send them the complete application, most likely within 1 week or 10 days you will receive your Quebec selection certificate. And here we go. So once you have the Quebec selection certificate, the next step is to send out the federal application. So if we will see, like, the total processing time till CSQ from the start of job validation, it can take almost 3 to 7 or 8 months, and then for the federal application it can take almost 12 to 18 month minimum. So make sure that if you are applying through Quebec, you have a good level of patience, because the processing time is a bit longer than the other programs. But definitely, if your employer is supporting you, if you have your CSQ, your permanent residency is always there, as long as you are medically fit and there is no any criminal charge on you, your police clearance certificate, all the things are very clear. So I hope that this information will save your life. So many of you who are asking me about the question that if you don't have French, can I apply? So here is your answer. You can search it by yourself also, but if you need our help, you can come and visit in our office. Thank you guys.